Hello everyone, today I will tell you about mint, also known as mentha or pudina, is an incredibly versatile and easy-to-grow plant. You'll be amazed at how many ways mint can be used in daily life. First, mint leaves are one of the richest herbal sources of antioxidants and carotene. Because of this, they are widely used to make healthy herbal teas. Second, drinking mint tea supports digestion and helps naturally stabilize conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and constipation. It is also known to soothe diaphragm irritation, making it effective for treating hiccups. Third, mint tea has strong antimicrobial and antifungal properties due to its natural nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Fourth, all mint varieties are rich in carotene, containing around 1,600 micrograms per standard serving. Regular consumption supports eye health and helps reduce dry eyes and sensitivity. Fifth, crushed mint leaves can be mixed with regular toothpaste to help whiten teeth. Its pleasant aroma and natural oxidation process also reduce bad breath. Sixth, menthol is a powerful essential oil found in many mint varieties. It is commonly extracted and used in health, food, and cosmetic products. Seventh, peppermint, one of the most popular mint varieties, is used in medicines like inhalers to improve breathing, reduce coughing, relieve hay fever, and loosen mucus during colds or infections. Eighth, inhaling the aroma of mint helps open and calm respiratory airways, allowing smoother airflow. You can try this at home by gently crushing peppermint leaves and inhaling their scent. Ninth, mint aroma and peppermint tea are effective in reducing nausea and headaches. 10th, mint leaves are widely used in aromatherapy products such as candles, oils, soaps, and balms. 11th, mint oils combined with other essential oils create a relaxing fragrance that can help reduce insomnia. 12th, mint acts as a natural antipyretic. When applied to the skin, it provides a cooling sensation that helps relieve itching, burns, bites, and stings. 13th, mint contains rosmarinic acid, a powerful antioxidant with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Mint oil or menthol baths can help reduce body aches, strains, and muscle cramps. 14th, the gentle aroma of mint used in aromatherapy promotes relaxation and helps reduce stress and anxiety. 15th, a mint variety known as Baikal skullcap has been studied for its ability to help destroy cancer cells by targeting the blood vessels that supply tumors. 16th, mint mixed with salt and water can be used as a soothing saline gargle to help clear throat infections. 17th, the pennyroyal variety of mint works as a natural insect repellent and is commonly used to repel ants and flies. 18th, mint leaves and stalks can be placed in pet bedding or resting areas to help repel fleas naturally. 19th, mint is widely used in cooking. It adds refreshing flavor to dishes while boosting nutritional value. 20th, when grown in large quantities, mint acts as a natural mouse and rat deterrent in gardens. 21st, there are over 18 known varieties of mint, along with many hybrids, each offering a unique flavor. 22nd, mint is a perennial plant that grows back every year with minimal care. Regularly harvesting leaves encourages bushier growth and prevents flowering, which increases foliage. Mint flowers are edible and make a beautiful aromatic garnish. 23rd, mint is extremely refreshing when added to drinks. Simply place mint stalks in a bottle of water and refrigerate for an hour. The infused water can be mixed with fruits and vegetables for a healthy, tasty beverage. 24th, mint sauce is a delicious accompaniment to roast meals. Before we continue, here's a quick question for you. Do you know the scientific name of mint? Comment your answer below. Easy fresh mint sauce recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh mint leaves, ½ cup coriander leaves, 1 green chili, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, ½ teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons yogurt or water for blending. Method: add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. That's it. Your fresh mint sauce is ready. Tangy, cooling, and perfect with any meal. Mint is an excellent source of nutrition and, in my opinion, a true superfood. Regular consumption, along with a healthy lifestyle, can bring amazing benefits. However, remember, love is the most important ingredient in life. This information is provided for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Please consult a healthcare professional for any medical concerns. Do subscribe this channel. Thank you.